Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I share simple DIYs and affordable home improvement projects. This is the couch that we built and I made these outdoor cushions as well. If you want to see how we built the couch, click the info button or check the link in the description. In this video, I'm going to show you how easily we can make outdoor cushions for a fraction of the cost. It takes less than an hour to make these. In this method, the cushion cover is made from a single fabric. That means you don't have to cut or stitch multiple panels to make these covers. To make these, you will need a multi-purpose foam and a 100% waterproof vinyl outdoor tablecloth to make it sustain the rain. You will also need a basking tape and a zipper. First things first, let's cut the foam to size. To make it snug, the foam has to be slightly bigger than the cushion cover, so I'm making it a ½ inch bigger than the desired cushion size. I got this multi-purpose high-density foam sheet from Home Depot. This one is 3 inches thick. I tried to use a scissor, but I thought a kitchen knife would do a much better job, and it definitely did. It was way easier to use a kitchen knife than a scissor to cut the foam. Now let's do some quick math and cut the fabric to size. In this case, the fabric is our tablecloth. Outdoor cushions are expensive and I don't even have to talk about the custom-made ones. This is a great idea if you are looking for an inexpensive alternative. It's been over a month since I made these and it rained a few times since then. So far, these are holding up great. I checked the foam and it's not getting wet as the cloth is 100% waterproof. Now comes a simple but tricky part, cutting the corner and center notches. I tried to break down the math for you, although the measurements doesn't have to be very precise and you will see why. Excuse my drawing skills, but once you finish cutting, the fabric will look like this. Of course, I drew the notches a little bigger to make it easier to understand here. The fabric will be folded along the purple dotted line in the middle and the zipper will be stitched along the black dotted line on the edge. Remember, cut the width of the notch measurement along the width of the fabric and the depth of the notch measurement along the length of the fabric. The zipper will be added along the length of the fabric. As you can see, I folded the fabric into half to cut the center notch. It is easier this way. If you do this too, make sure you divide the width of the center notch into half while making the cut. For example, my calculated center notch width is 1.8 inches. So while cutting the folded fabric, I will mark at 0.9 inches and then cut it. Now let's get our basking tape out. It is simply a double-sided tape which is used to keep the fabric in place, and it makes sewing so much easier. It also helps in getting a clean finished look. I'm sticking the tape on both sides of the zipper. Next, I'm sticking it to the edge of the fabric where the zipper is going to go. I'm drawing a 1/4 inch line from the edge, sticking the tape on the edge, then I will be folding the cloth onto this line so that the folding will be even throughout. Now get the zipper we just prepped and stick it to the fabric as shown. Our goal is to stick it in a way that zipper is not visible in between the edges. We are almost there. Get your sewing machine out. We are going to stitch the zipper to the fabric now. First, open the zipper as shown and then start stitching on the bad side of the fabric. Since it's already glued in place, this step should be a piece of cake. Now stitch the open edges on both sides along the width. This should close the cover on the sides. Now insert the zipper clip and drag it away from the corners. We will be stitching those corners very soon. We made it to the last and fun step. Open those corners and fold them diagonally as shown. Hold the corner like it's forming a triangle and then stitch. Remember how I said the corner notches need not be precise? It is because they will be hidden inside and the way we are stitching gives us some wiggle room. I would put a double stitch here to avoid losing the stitch over time. That's it, you're all done. This is how it looks when you flip it. The corner inside will look like this, but when you flip it, the outside will look like this. Our outdoor cushions are all ready. Now you just have to flip it and insert the foam. If you don't have the foam for the right size, you can use 2 different pieces of foam or add small pieces in the edge to make it snug. I have looked and looked for some affordable custom-sized cushions that can fit our outdoor sofa that we built but couldn't find any. I am so glad I decided to give this a shot and I absolutely love how they turned out. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more such DIYs, please subscribe. See you next time.